5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice job. In 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that of 5. 15. Come on, Kimmy. 5.5 minutes. And go. 5 reps. And go. 16. All hips. 17. 18. 19. 20. Nice job. Good job. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. 20 in already. Come on, Kimmy. And 5. Up. 5 minutes. Less than 5. Come on, swing. Go. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Nice job. Halfway. Halfway. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And swing. Up. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 4 minutes, Kimmy. 4 minutes to go. 30. You got this. Almost done. And 5. Go. And go. Come on. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. Good job, Kimmy. 35. 35. You got to 50. 60, sorry. 35. 35. And go. And swing. 36. 37. 3 minutes. 38. 39. Chest up. 40. Good job, Kimmy. 20 more. 40 in. Another 5. You got it. And go. Come on, Kimmy. And up. 2.5 minutes. You can do it. You can finish this. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. Good job. 15 more. You got 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Come on, Kimmy. And 5. Go. 2 minutes. 46. All hips, all hips. 47. 48. 49. 50. Last 10, Kimmy. Last 10. Minute 40. You can do it. And go. Let's do a couple calories on the bike too. Come on. Let's go. Come on. 10 more. Go. Up. Minute 30. 1. 2. 53. 54. 55. Good job. Last 5, Kimmy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 5. Go. Come on, Kimmy. Go. Last minute. Last minute. And go. 56, 57, 58, 59, last one, 60, nice job, two to row, 45 seconds. Just row hard now, row hard.
I don't have no hard left in me.
Come on, you got 30 seconds left in you, 35 seconds. Come on, Kimmy, come on, Kimmy. Come on, get close, get close. All out effort, 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. And 10. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. How you feeling?
Good.